Are you looking for the best woodworking tools in 2026 to upgrade your shop? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the right gear is a total game changer for precision and speed. Today, we're counting down 20 amazing woodworking tools on the market right now. From smart digital measuring tools to the latest brushless power tools and precision jigs. We've tested everything from high-tech table saws to cool woodworking gadgets you've never seen before. These must-have workshop essentials will help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into the list and see which of these new tools for 2026 belongs on your workbench. Tired of uneven gaps and rough fits? The Profiler Plus Multifunction Scribing tool delivers ultimate precision contour scribing for accurate woodworking, cabinets, flooring, and carpentry. Designed as the ideal scribing tool, it features an adjustable scribe width with a self-locking mechanism that ensures accuracy and works perfectly on complex profiles. Adaptable to any marker, including the Pica-Dry Long Life automatic pencil, its adjustable holder guarantees precise marking on any material. Made in the UK from durable glass-filled nylon and steel bearings, this intuitive tool provides smooth gliding and professional, consistent results every time. Need a pencil that won't roll away or snap under pressure? Lincia Carpenter pencils are built for real job site demands. This 7-inch octagonal flat Carpenter marking pencils. Hard black construction contractor. Pens for woodworking and concrete marking set includes 300 pieces to satisfy your large needs. Perfect for carpentry and rough surface writing. Made from durable wood with solid HB graphite, they're anti-falling, stable, and leave clear marks on uneven surfaces. The octagonal grip prevents slipping, while the printed scale helps measure and mark wood accurately. Tired of struggling with stubborn paint and rust? The Hazztoll Ergonomic Carbide Scraper makes tough removal jobs simple. Featuring a 2.5-inch carbide blade and comfortable beechwood handle, this professional quality paint scraper tool for paint, varnish, glue, and rust removal helps you save time and effort on every project. Its high-quality Hazztoll carbide blade delivers long-lasting, heavy-duty performance on wood, metal, and concrete without damaging surfaces. The ergonomic beech handle reduces fatigue, and the replaceable blade ensures reliable, consistent results for both professionals and DIY users. Loose joints and weak bonds can ruin any project. Boncart's super strong wood glue delivers reliable performance when it matters most. This 8.45 fluid ounce clear, waterproof for heavy-duty woodworking. Furniture assembly formula offers strong adhesion and dries clear, preserving the natural beauty of wood with no visible glue lines. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, it adapts to changing temperatures and humidity. With just 20 to 30 minutes of clamping and a full cure in 24 hours, it's perfect for hardwoods, softwoods, crafts, DIY builds, and durable wood repairs. Precision matters when every cut and hole counts. The Hongdui multifunction measuring gauge is a drill depth gauge, drill stop measure, drill point angle gauge, grinding gauge, and table saw height gauge. Woodworking tool designed for total accuracy. This 3-in-1 multifunction tool measures drill bit angles, drilling depth, and table saw blade height with ease. Simply loosen the copper screw to adjust and lock for repeated positioning. Featuring metric and imperial scales, a top magnet for stability, and durable aluminum alloy construction, it's built for reliable woodworking performance. Clean, tight dovetail joints start with accurate marking. The Clarke Brothers Dovetail Marker is a wood dovetail tool and woodworking hand tool for crafts designed to deliver consistent results every time. This precise dovetail guide with 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 8, and 1 to 10 slopes makes layout simple for both hardwood and softwood. Built from a solid billet of aluminum with a black and red anodized finish, it features an extra-large body and ergonomic design for stable, accurate registration. Ideal for marking and cutting creating flawless dovetail joints. Sanding detailed curves and tight corners can be frustrating without the right tool. Fulton contour sanding grips make precision work simple. This wood sanding detailer for convex, concave, and angles is a crevice sanding tool for corners, molding, models, arts, crafts, auto body, and more. The multi-surface sander set includes 11 grips with 21 profiles and pre-cut sandpaper. Double-ended pads handle grooves and curves, while the non-slip rubber design reduces fatigue. Easily sand inside angles and detailed shapes without damaging crisp edges. Resawing thin stock or odd-shaped boards can feel risky without proper control. The Products GuidePRO is a feather board for bandsaws, vertical resaws, and bandsaw guides with silicone feathers that provide greater feed control, and is a woodworking tool and safety accessory. It's a 6-inch vertical silicone feather that delivers steady pressure for precision cuts, even on thin strips. Flexible, non-marring feathers hold material firmly without damage and reduce vibration. With fast miter slot setup and hands-free guidance, it ensures safer, cleaner, and more consistent bandsaw performance. Shaping wood by hand can be slow and exhausting. The Winbyoan wood carving disc speeds things up with aggressive precision. This grinder shaping disc 7/8 inch bore wood tungsten carbide grinding wheel carving abrasive disc for sanding, carving, and shaping fits most 4-inch or 4.5-inch angle grinders with a 5/8 inch spindle, thanks to the included 7/8 to 5/8 adapter bushing. Made of sturdy tungsten carbide, its pointed teeth remove residue quickly without damaging your hands. Ideal for sanding, carving, shaping, polishing, and grinding non-metal materials like wood. Tired of uneven sanding and rough edges? The Poliwell Sanding Drum Kit makes precision finishing simple and efficient. This 4 3-meter rolls of sandpaper drum sander for drill and press drilling machines includes 4 durable rubber sanding drums and multi-grit sandpaper rolls. Crafted from resin-bonded aluminum oxide, the 1/4 inch universal shaft fits most drills and rotary tools. Ideal for smoothing wood, metal, stone, resin, or glass, it handles curves, edges, and contours with ease. Quick to install, this kit is perfect for DIY or professional sanding projects. Bring precision and creativity to every project with the Yurinwoo wood carving bits set. Compatible with Dremel, this 5-piece set of different types of rotary tool. Bits with 1/8 inch shank makes wood carving, grinding, engraving, drilling, and microsculpture effortless. Crafted from high-speed steel, the bits are wear, heat, and corrosion-resistant for long-lasting performance. With shapes like triple edge, bottom cleaning, bead, ball, and 5-star, you can carve intricate details, smooth surfaces, drill holes, and create flowing patterns. Perfect for woodwork, model making, and detailed craft projects, the set includes a sturdy storage box for portability. Stay safe and gain total control with the Microjig Grr-Ripper table saw pushblock. Designed in the USA, this pushblock protects hands and prevents kickback like never before. Its high-friction, durable grip provides 3-directional force: downward, inward, and forward, holding workpieces firmly for precise cutting down to 1/4 inch ripping. Fully adjustable and compatible with table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws, it keeps small stock stable while cutting. The proprietary green Grr-Ripper material ensures superior traction on wood, plastics, and aluminum, making each cut cleaner, safer, and more controlled. Simplify narrow, repetitive cuts with the Peachtree Woodworking Thin Rip Jig. Designed for table saws with 3/4 inch by 3/8 inch miter slots, it acts like a third hand. guiding stock safely and accurately for cuts under 2 inches wide. The high-quality roller bearing ensures smooth feeding, while the solid aluminum body adjusts inward or outward to match your stock. Once set, the star-shaped knob locks the jig in place for consistent results. Versatile enough for router tables and bandsaws, it keeps hands away from the blade while delivering precise, repeatable cuts every time. Create perfect stair tread templates effortlessly with the Magmaniac stair tread template tool. This dual nut stair gauge jig simplifies step scribing, stair measuring, and custom tread layouts with no assembly required. Just grab and use. Its unique locking system ensures precise measurements, while adjustable side stops let you set tread depth quickly for repeatable accuracy. Made from anodized aluminum alloy with CNC precision and laser markings, it fits most common stairs. Durable and professional grade, this stair guide tool saves time, reduces errors, and is ideal for contractors and DIYers alike. Make hinge installation precise and effortless with the Beamnova Hinge Jig. This drilling hole puncher and drill guide locator is perfect for mounting cabinet door hinges accurately. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's durable, wear-resistant, and corrosion-proof for years of use. Adjustable hinge offsets let you choose exact drill positions, while auxiliary holes make screwing quick and easy. Suitable for most standard 35mm hinges, this jig ensures clean, consistent holes with a depth of 12 to 13mm. Ideal for woodworking, carpentry, and cabinet door installation. It saves time and guarantees professional results. Struggling with messy, inconsistent cuts, the Black+Decker portable workbench brings stability and versatility to every project. This iconic workmate folding workbench supports up to 550 pounds with a heavy-gauge steel frame and laminated bamboo worktop. Adjustable jaws, vertical clamping, and 4 swivel pegs make holding irregular objects secure and precise. Folds open or closed in seconds for easy setup and storage. The large work surface with an extra block converts into a vise, giving you multiple ways to work efficiently on woodworking, DIY, or automotive projects. Struggling with weak or misaligned joints, the Teenyyou Biscuit joiner tool makes connecting panels and boards effortless. These PVC biscuits provide sturdy, self-clamping and gripping plates for woodworking, composite decking, door frames, furniture framing, and more. Made from durable PVC, they resist warping and expansion, ensuring long-lasting, reliable connections. The pack includes 100 biscuits, enough for large projects or DIY tasks. Ideal for PVC boards, particle board, MDF, plywood, softwood, or hardwood. These joiners strengthen your builds while allowing precise, seamless alignment for professional quality joints every time. Take your carving projects to the next level with the Arbortech Mini Carver Power Tool. Designed for 50mm of wood shaping, sculpting, texturing, and sanding, this all-rounder removes material quickly while delivering fine control. The Mini Pro blade with interchangeable tungsten carbide cutters ensures long-lasting durability, while the V-belt drive increases safety and reduces kickback. An extended head reaches tight spaces with ease. Its quick-change system swaps attachments instantly, and the dust extraction accessory keeps your workspace cleaner, improving visibility and minimizing cleanup during sanding and finishing. Ensure perfect alignment on every project with the DFM Toolworks Center Finder. This mini square with an 11/32 of an inch center marking hole makes precise center marks simple and accurate, even with larger pencils. Designed for woodworking, carpentry, and engineering tasks, it combines a small square and center finder in one versatile tool. Its engineered accuracy guarantees consistent measurements and flawless alignment, whether for furniture, cabinets, or home DIY projects. Durable, reliable, and easy to use, this tool is a must-have companion for professionals and hobbyists seeking precision and efficiency. Take your woodworking to the next level with the CC Benchtop Band Saw. Powered by a 350-watt motor on standard 120 volt, it delivers 900 RPM for smooth, precise cuts. With an 8-inch cutting width and a 3 1/8-inch adjustable cutting height, it handles everything from veneers to hardwoods. The 0 to 45-degree tilting work table, dual-sided fence, and precision miter gauge allow bevel, straight, and curved cuts with ease. Ideal for cabinet doors, scrollwork, and small shop projects, this benchtop bandsaw combines compact design, a sturdy steel table, dust collection, and safety features for professional quality woodworking at home. That's our list of the top 20 woodworking tools in 2026. Which of these cool tools was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to check out any of the gear featured today, we've put the Amazon affiliate links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more woodworking tool reviews, workshop hacks, and DIY project ideas. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a shop update. Thanks for watching, and keep on building.